Welcome to the State Historical Cultural Museum of Sarayshıq. I am Shirkishbayeva Asyan. Today I continue the rubric Traditions of Kazakh, and today I would like to tell you about the other musical instrument of Kazakhstan is sazsырнай.
Sazsырнай is an ancient Kazakh wind musical instrument. Sazsырнай resembles a chicken egg in shape. Sometimes it had the shape of a bird with folded wings. Accordingly, hence the name of this instrument, Tastavuk, translated as stone chicken. Sazsырнай, saz is clay, and the word sырнай meant all wind instruments among the Kazakhs. The cheese, saz, has another name, uskurik, which means cracking frost. He got this name due to the fact that the voice of saz cheese when playing resembles the howling of the wind. Sazsырнай was made from clay, mixed with wool for straight. 6 game holes were made in the case. This made it possible to play several song melodies in the middle register. In fact, sazsырнай was child's play. This instrument was played mainly by shepherds. Sazsырнай was found during the excavations of the medieval city of Otrar, burned by Genghis Khan's troops in 2020. Reconstructed by folklore researcher Bolat Sarıbayev in 1971, sazsырнай was introduced into folklore and the ethnographic ensembles. On October the 29th, to celebrate the 750th anniversary of the Golden Horde, an ethno-aul was built in Sarayshıq, stylized as the Golden Horde era. In the yurt of the ethno-aul, one could see exhibitions of masters of applied art, jewelers, potters, weavers, kamchi manufacturers, Kazakh musical instruments, dombra, sazsырнай, kobuz, and many others. For you, videos and photos from that day.
Thank you for being with me. See you later. Goodbye.